No, Jelana, come here. There's people here. Oh, that one. Here you go, Jelana. Yeah. No pool. Shoes for what? Looking for shoes again? So why you wearing it anyway? Can you guys help her find her toy? Here on the other side, Jelana, she cannot pick a new toy. She had a hard time picking up her toy. Just pick one now. Tiny one. Yeah. Just pick a toy. It's already bought. Mini book is already gone. Okay, Jade, do you want to help your sister find her toy? She had a hard time. What do you like? Hello, Shalane. Jirana. You want that? Okay, let's go. She find one. It's 4.99. 4.99. Are you sure that's the price? Are you sure it's 4.99? It's okay. But she can play outside. That is more like this is 21.99. I found that is 4.99. That is 20. Ay, you like a cowboy hat? Oh yeah, the mini. Today was a great day. How come? But well, Daddy has to buy a heater for the pool. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. That's. But then there's none in the Lowe's, so we have to order it on Amazon. Did you find something? None. That's a good pants. Oh really? Wow, that's a new dance. I like your style. Why it's so cute.